Open today until 5, right?
We are.
Okay, and are the interactions where kids can feed the giraffe and stuff, are they happening today? Are there specific times?
It is today all day.
Okay, so we can just get the tickets there, right? Like, I don't have to get it online or anything.
No, sir. You get them when you get here.
All right, appreciate helping with us. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alrighty guys, so welcome back. We are taking Aiden to the zoo.
Aloha Safari Zoo.
Yeah, it's called Aloha Safari Zoo. He's gonna have, I don't know, it's the first time he's gonna go to the zoo.
He's gonna have a blast.
Yeah, and then you can also
No, we took him to the zoo in Maggie Valley.
Oh yeah, we can.
And he was was small, but he was like
small. He did have fun there, but here the thing is that you can feed the giraffe and stuff. So, and he loves giraffe. So let's see how he's gonna do today.
he's gonna be scared.
Yeah, he's gonna be scared, and then you can feed the birds and monkeys. I don't know, some more animals, but we'll take you along with us. So let's go.
Difference between a safari zoo before we take up. So safari zoo, we take our own car and drive through the zoo, and then we park at the end, and then we go do all the attractions, birds and things like that. So instead of getting their safari, you can just, it's like a drive-through zoo. So we're gonna have fun.
We are here. This is the Aloha Safari.
We have camels.
They're not real camel, babe. I think so.
Safari is straight ahead.
I think
buses to the left.
Safari straight ahead. Alright, Aiden is sitting here with me in the front, and we see deer. Aiden, look, deer. Hi. You wanna come eat?
I should not be wearing glasses.
Oh. Hi. Item there, look. Hi. You wanna feed the deer? Hi. Yes, Gulu. Deer. Hi, here, food. We got some food for you. Come here. Come on. You want some food? Are you hungry? Okay, baby, okay. Look. Hi, Hi. Look, he's eating food. You want to touch him? Okay, all done. वो बाकी भी खिलाना होगी. Good job.
अरे यार वीडियो ही नहीं हो रहा था.
अरे यार.
अरे
यार फिर से थोड़ी ना आएगा.
हो गया. Oh, ये वाला भी खा रहा है.
Deer who was eating from my cup, but we didn't realize that it didn't record. But it was so funny. Oh my god, he was not leaving the cup. Look, we are feeding this animal here. Yeah. No, are you not hungry? I think you're full.
I don't think this one wants to eat.
Yeah. Yummy? Is it yummy? Look, Aiden, he's eating. Bus, baby, go. All done. Okay, all done. Okay, take a break. All done, baby, go. Good job. Thank you. Thank you for meeting us.
Wow. I think you want to feed him. Look.
2 buckets लग रहा है enough नहीं होंगे.
Hi, baby. Aiden को दिखा दो ये वाला.
Yeah. Aiden, look over there, baby.
Aiden, see? Deer.
Thank you for eating one more. Aiden, look, deer. Thank you, baby. All done.
Aiden. Deer.
All done. Bye. Aiden, look, deer over there. Look over there.
Aiden, see? Aiden.
Babe?
Hmm?
You recording?
Yes.
You wanna eat it? No, okay, babe, go. Babe, go. Bye bye. You wanna eat it? Okay, bye, baby. Aiden, look. Aiden, look.
Who that?
Hi. इधर पे इधर ही है खिलाना. Hi. Are you a deer? What are you?
Wow. Can you say bye-bye, zebra?
Say bye-bye, zebra. Babe, क्या बंद कर दो क्या? नहीं खिला देती वो खिला ही रही है.
हाथ बाहर कर दो ना तो वो अंदर मुंह नहीं डालेगा. It's fine. Animals है. मैं बड़ा भी लूंगा. Wow, Aiden.
Aiden camel. Babe, chalo. Babe, chalo. Good job. Bye-bye. Thank you for stopping. Thank you. They go down and they do like this so you can feed them. Thank you, babies.
Oh my god. He is beautiful.
Yeah. Another camel coming. Auntie बाहर निकाल रही है उसको.
That another one is coming up.
Oops. तो रुक जा, भी इधर ही आ रहा है सीधा. I didn't look. Look. Move.
Fries दिखेगा उसे.
Oh, I didn't move. अरे ना, तुमने ना कर दिया move. It's a very big version of moo, baby. Alright, now Aiden is sitting with Daddy. And he's having fun. It is so amazing. And it's such a beautiful thing to do here. There's one llama coming. So now let's see. Look, llama! There he is. Just, you have to tilt it so it can come out.
Okay.
Look at him.
Hey. All right, that's it. No,
That's it, beautiful. I don't know.
that's it.
Look at him.
That's it, babash. No, that's it, babush.
They are super friendly and so cute. Oh my god. It's a perfect thing to do today because for Father's Day it's free for fathers, so they only had to pay for me, and
It's free for under two.
it's free for under two. So and it's also hot, so it's perfectly fine, perfect
Yeah, it's
thing
I
to
think
do
it's
it in
not
your
very
car.
costly.
Yeah,
car,
it's,
but
it's like only
I mean,
$13 per person.
Yeah, and
So
like
it's not bad at all.
it's so hot, so it's perfect to just
Yeah.
roam around like this.
Oh my god, I just missed it, but he fed camel. Wow, look at the beautiful camel. He's going to the next car now.
Wow.
Oh, another camel. I'm gonna feed the deer now. Ostrich, right?
Yeah.
Baby ostrich.
Emu or ostrich,
And then
something.
emu. I think emu, not ostrich, emu.
Mm.
And then baby llamas are also there, so we're gonna feed them, but they're on the way.
I think she is also gonna come on your side. All right, sir. That's it. That's it. We gotta feed other folks too. All right, little bit more. All right, that's it. That's it. All right, we done. We done, Chicky. No, we gotta go. All right, we gotta go. Ayun si Babay Lama.
I don't have anything. Bye bye. Bye bye. Aiden is really enjoying. Look at him snacking on his fries, sitting with Daddy. This is the first time he's doing this. So basically, kids are allowed to sit in the front here. So that's why. Oh my god, look at that yak. It is so pretty. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, look at that bull in the front. All those bulls.
Buffaloes, baby.
Oh, buffaloes. The buffalo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a cow, babe. It's not a yak.
Oh.
These kinds are cows also I've seen here. Hi! Hi, look. That's a very big bird. I hear a dog. Look at the way she's eating. Oh, look, you want to touch Moo? Hi, beautiful. Bus, Babu, bus. Thank you. You are so beautiful, Moo. You want to touch?
I didn't move.
Hi, Moo.
Hi.
Hi. Look, hi, Moo. Moo, hi. Can you say hi to Moo? You want to say hi? Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi. And you want to touch? No?
Oh my god, look at that.
So majestic.
I know. Wow.
Wow.
Really nice, cool. Wow. You're so pretty. Wow.
That was...
They're just chilling here.
Hi.
What is it?
Little deer.
Okay. Now it's the actual moo. I didn't look cows.
Hi.
Look cow. I didn't. You wanna touch the
I
cow?
didn't see cow.
It's your moo. That's a moo. Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
Guys, there's a python roaming. It's just roaming out in the open, and people can come and touch it. Oh my god.
Come on. I'm gonna go touch it. I'm gonna take Aiden.
Alright, they're gonna go touch it. I'm not.
Yep, come here.
No, I'm not touching. Look! Ah! Okay.
Let's see.
It's climbing the tree now. It feels so weird. I have never felt a snake before.
Yeah, they're non-venomous, but they have like 100.
Be careful, Daddy.
It's okay.
It's heading towards me.
Good job, buddy.
I'm coming. It's heading towards me.
That's it.
Well, I don't want her to go up the tree.
Why?
Well, because then I have to make you go get her.
Oh my gosh.
Can you climb all the way up the tree to get her for me?
I did?
I didn't see.
What? Yeah. Look, Aiden, what is Daddy showing you?
I didn't see here.
Isn't this going to go around?
I didn't see here.
He's looking at the chickens.
I didn't see here. So beautiful. Wow. It's a bird. It's a kind of a bird.
Yeah, another one.
Yeah.
You wanna go touch it?
Yeah, there's a bird. Oh. She doesn't want.
They have kind of curls in their feather. They're so pretty. Hi. Hi.
They always live in pair, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are they saying?
And look, what is this? It's not a hippopotamus. It is a. It's some other animal I know. Look at him. He's chilling in the water. Hello, mister. Can you show me your face real quick, please?
Fake probably.
Alright, let's go inside now.
Oh,
What do we have here?
it's a fox, baby.
It's a fox. Do not tap on the glass. Okay.
Of course not. But this one actually shed the skin. Do you see it?
Yeah. But where is it though? This one just shed the skin.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling very comfortable being here. I don't know why. In the reptile section. And deer.
I don't know. They look like that. It's not actually a cross between that. How will a rabbit and a deer be?
Often said to look like a cross. True. But yeah. What's over here?
This is a Burmese python. They have one of the biggest ones.
What?
Jesus
Oh
Christ.
my god.
Look at
this
that
python.
Burmese python.
He's shedding his skin. See?
Yep. He's shedding his skin. He's probably just ventilating. See? He's all the way here. Look at all the skin that's been shed in the water.
Look at that.
It's a snake. It's a
I'm not able to show you, but it's so huge. It is huge.
Can you see it, baby?
Can't show you guys.
Can you see it?
It's sleeping.
He's is a Bengal tiger. That's a Bengal tiger. Wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Oh my god.
What's that's a tiger, a lion.
That's what he does. He's gonna go shit in his shade. It's too hot for him. Look. Look. It's a kangaroo. He's just chilling here. Look.
That's a kangaroo and that's a man. It's a goat. Look at the peacock.
Look at that.
Oh. Man, baby.
Oh, there's so many babies. I didn't look.
Yeah. Come on.
Wow, I think they're bobcat.
See?
Look at their food, babe.
There, baby, there, down. See?
Do you see their food, babe?
Huh?
Oh, I know. ये मेरे को shoulder पे बैठा हुआ है पता है? सामने. Look at that.
What's a baboon doing, baby?
Wow. I've met this monkey before. Like not this exactly one, but he has sat on my shoulder back in India. Oh my god, look at all the monkeys. Sorry?
See?
Wow. Good job, Aiden. Over there. Do you want to stand here real quick? I'll take a photo with him.
Huh?
Aiden!
Hold it by the end and just give it to him, okay?
A little bit more closer, babe. Yes. Look at the monkey.
What monkey doing? Monkey playing.
Hello, Mr. Monkey. I didn't look monkey.
I can see. Hi.
Hi. Is there a fly sitting in your head?
Oh, hi.
He is too funny. Oh my god. He is putting a show for everybody. Yeah.
He's trying to eat something.
Hi.
Oh.
But
She is a trouble one. He's just sitting like that. What are you doing? Crazy women. Oh.
are you just hanging there by yourself, Aiden? You don't want to get off, Daddy? Alright, you guys, we are done with the zoo. You guys saw how much fun Aiden had. It was so nice experience. We can always bring him here again. And we're going back home now. It's super hot. Aiden had dipping dot for the first time and he loved it. And then right now we're just going back home.